Okay, we got a pretty good amount of stuff done today. Mitch was in here framing away on the wall. We really just had to replace everything here almost because it was in such bad shape. So we have a nice straight wall now. We have our fire blocking is in there. We have our solid galvanized steel pipe for the dryer vent coming over up and out up there. And there is the fire blocking inside. And we'll get some insulation and stuff that into the last of the holes to close things up. Then we'll have some electrical that has to get run across. But yeah, so this here is the plumbing here. We've got the 2-inch ABS goes into a 2-inch cast iron hub. And this is all the old kitchen sink here. And the new kitchen sink and the laundry come in from there, over where they have been relocated. And then we have our PEX pipe, which is in motion for being strapped up and rehung. But yeah, the new framed wall looks great. You can refer to some earlier videos on this. Unfortunately, I'm using the Galaxy phone video right now, which is not as wide of an angle as the GoPro. So I have to kind of stand out into the hallway and try to get as much of the view in through the doorway without blocking things. Here's a new fan we picked up, much nicer than the old one. It has a squirrel cage. It's a very quiet fan, so they'll like having that instead of the one they have now. And there's that. We have some, we use one size larger PEX, slice it, and then use that as a rub guard on anything that might be touching a little bit. You can see there's 2 more rub guards where the PEX goes over a 2x4, and we'll be doing some more stuff to deal with that tomorrow, or Monday actually. And then in here we have, let me turn some light on. So we have strapped up the drain pipes, and we have plastic strapped up the PEX, and we tape that onto the fittings to hold it in place, stationary. So now the PEX line has a nice straight line to it. Same with the hot, it has a good straight line on it. And there you can see inside there, those are the 2 rub guards again. Over here, you see 2 rub guards there. We have the toilet line is strapped and screwed in solidly. Then the split on the floor above, this is how we dealt with that. We've got, you can see the straight little diagonal line there is where the floor joints together, and so that's how we're dealing with that. We have a couple of 2x4s to hold that steady now. Then we have a framing bracket going to the board in the side of the foundation there. So that is all nice and solid. And then we'll put a 2x4, we'll double up this 2x4 in the ceiling, and then put a couple of 2x4 jacks down from above onto the 2x4s below, and that should be enough to make it solid. So, okay, that's enough for today. And then you can see this here light where the wiring is just not quite the way it should be. Yes, we'll have to fix that. And this is the fan that we're replacing. It's a good time to replace it, and the new one is going to be much quieter, and it moves more air too. So, and nothing exciting happened in here today. And just put some more of the rub guards on the PEX lines. You see how we have a guard there and there. Any place that it might rub, we have rub protection. And we have these here pipe brackets. And so those stand the PEX off from the point of the corner on the 2x4. Keep that in good shape. So, okay, it is Friday and time to enjoy the weekend.